This looks so yummy. I want to eat all of them. I want to eat all of them too. Well, you can eat two, and I can eat the other two. Okay. What are you doing, Paul? I'm just playing. It's really, really, really interesting. You can play a lot, and it's also for big kids. So you guys couldn't play just because you're the oldest, huh? Oh yes, I am, and this is so dangerous. Duh, we were born in the same day. Yeah, I know. I want to try my cookies. But maybe Usher can try it first. Okay. Yes. Here you had a cookie, Usher. Try it, please, for us. Okay. What happened, Usher? Yes, our cookies are so good. Duh.
Urgent! Terrible news! A tornado is coming to your city. Keep calm with several food supplies and be very attentive if you walk on the sidewalk.
Hurry, we need to buy a lot of things.
Yes. No. Yes, we need to get ready to buy a lot of things in the supermarket. Yes.
No, we couldn't eat our cookies. Oh, yes. Let's go to buy with Mom.
Kids, we need to buy a lot of things.
No.
Yes.
Well, okay. Okay.
No. Get outside.
Mom, I buy this potato chips and also this orange and this apples. Mom, I want to buy this hot sauce, please. Please, Mom, please.
No, Leah. I didn't want to try that. It's dangerous. It's $200 for all. Okay. Here you had. Well, thanks. Goodbye. Now we're here in our house, okay?
Mom, it's not our house.
Well, it's like in the ground, something like that, cuz we need to stay here.
Okay. Yes.
I'm going to put everything there. You can go to your beds.
Okay. Let's go. I think this is my bed. No. Oh, it's Usher's bed. Yeah, this is my bed. I want to take this one. No, that's my bed. No, it's not. It's my bed. Paul, well, you can take it if you want. Okay. I'm big. Ha ha ha. Stop.
Let's see what you buy. I think I want to start with this. Well, there's an orange over here. Then this apples, potato chips. Okay, nothing else. Then here a pineapple. This is for the bathroom. I think we didn't have a bathroom. This tomato sauce, my favorite. Then the cereals for the kids. And for me too. And then this blueberries. What else? This milk. Honey, what's this hot sauce?
I buy that. It's really, really good. You can taste it if you want.
Okay. Kenzie, you want hot sauce? Maybe. But I'm good without it, honey. Don't worry. I'm really tired. Okay. Well, I want to try it. Water. Oh my gosh. Maybe we can put it right here. We never gonna use it again. So now it's time for the lunch, and I gonna put all the dishes right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So some cereal for the kids right here. Then potato chips. Maybe I want this fruits, and then this. Okay, here we had the lunch.
Come on, the lunch is done. Okay, I'm just gonna sit down here. Oh, yay. Okay. I wanna go here. Okay. So, I wanna eat my cereal. It's so yummy. But I want my hot sauce. Yeah, I wanna try it. Just a little bit, just. No, don't try it. Yes, I want to try it because it's so yummy. Look, I put a little bit and then I drink it. So fresh. What? Yes, I drink this. What do you drink?
Yes.
It's so hot. I'm gonna try my cereal. Me too. I want this yummy potato chips with cheese.
And I want these apples with lemons or orange.
I want this blueberry.
Oh, I think I just want to eat these pineapples. I love this apple.
I love my bear cereal. And my cheese potatoes are the best ever. No, my cereal.
I want to try my What? I couldn't eat my pineapple. Well, anyways.
I want to try my blueberries. Yummy.
Now it's time for the movie. Yay!